Hi friends, welcome to this video on Jama VSTS integration. Configuring an integration is a three-step process. The first step is to configure both the end systems. We have already configured Jama and we have also configured VSTS for this demonstration purpose. The next step is to create mappings. To create a mapping, drag both the systems towards the panel and proceed to mapping. For this demonstration purpose, we have already created a couple of mappings. Now let us go ahead and see what a mapping looks like. To create a mapping, select projects and select the entity types that you want to synchronize. OpSub Integration Manager also supports the comments and attachments. The next step is to select the fields and the values. You can also configure relationships and configure the link type. Once this is done, do the same exercise for all the other entities. Once all this is done, the last and final step is to configure an integration. To configure an integration, select the projects that you have to synchronize, select the entities that you have to synchronize, and provide them with the additional details. For example, polling time, remote links, etc. Do the same exercise for both the end systems. Once this is done, the user just has to save the integration and they are good to go. OpSub will now work in the background and synchronize the two systems in real time. Let's see how this is done. The product team creates a requirement in Jama with all the basic attributes. Give a name, give a description, select the priority as high and save this requirement. OpSub Integration Manager synchronizes this requirement to VSTS as a feature. The development team will now break this feature into user story. We'll go ahead and create a user story. We'll give it a title and save it. Let's go ahead and create another user story. Once this is done, the development team will now comment and OpSub Integration Manager will synchronize these comments to Jama. As you can see in the Jama requirement, the link to remote entity and the remote ID appears. This provides better traceability. The user story is also created as downstream items as visible on the screen. Now, as you can see on your screen, the comment has also synchronized to Jama. The product team also creates a comment and communicates seamlessly with the teams using VSTS. They can change the status, the priority, etc. And the teams using VSTS will get to know all of these in real time. This is how OpSub Integration Manager helps facilitate wiser and contextual decisions. Thank you for watching this video.